Given that a quarter of the population in many developed countries has a migrant background, and if you look at children, it's almost half, I do think really studying those two topics and combining them, family and migration economics, really determines the future of our societies. I do think social cohesion, the willingness to cooperate between each other, like people from different groups, is the biggest challenge that we need to understand how to tackle and how to foster. I think it's the way to go, especially if we think that we have the chance here to interact, engage and stimulate further research. So I'm looking forward to a continuation of these workshops.